Good morning, traders. Welcome to Elite Currency. My name is Chris, and this video is taking a look, of course, at the euro dollar and pound dollar. But before we do that, I wanted to share with you our ECS live results. We had some nice results on the euro dollar short, dollar yen long, dollar Swiss C long, pound dollar short is open but at break even or 1 pip trail stop loss. So you can check out the results here, and if you think it's interesting, of course, you can try out ECS live for yourself. You can find more information on this link right here, of course, at ECS Live Trading. And now for the euro dollar. Well, we got a bearish breakout and an invalidation of the bullish reversal that I expected for a long time, but it really never materialized. We had a couple of attempts. We had here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts, but never got a bigger breakout. And in fact, finally getting, I think, a push lower. The push lowers have failed as well. As you can see here a couple of times, really didn't find enough strength to push through that support zone, basically at around 112, 112.50. But with yesterday's candle, I think there's a fair chance that we'll get finally that breakout after all those months. This is a candle that shows confidence to me because the bears are in control. The bears closed very near the low, so pretty good volatile candle as well from high to low measured. It is 90 pips, which considering the current corrective low volatile environment, 90 pips on the euro dollar on a candle, daily candle, is pretty good in this context. So got a clear break of the 112, 111.80 zone. That's what I was waiting for, and we're now, I think, looking for potential for continuation. The euro dollar itself was traded by Mislav and his Ultima system here at around 112, I believe 35, 40. I don't remember the level exactly. At this pullback on the 4-hour chart, you'll see that a little bit better. We had potential ABC, traded it from this bounce. Basically, we had a break from the 21 EMA pullback, and we were trading the bounce downwards. It extended even further beyond our target at 111.90-ish, just below that. All right, so what we're looking for now, I think, clear momentum to the downside. I think we're just waiting for a 1-hour pattern, some bear flag, for instance. So if it goes back into 111.80, could be very likely bouncing spot. 21 EMA could be a likely bouncing spot. You're seeing the start of some kind of correction on this 1-hour chart already, some kind of bear flag. So if it breaks this bear flag, or if it hits 111.75, or if it bounces at this resistance zone anywhere between the 21 EMA low at 111.60 here and 111.80 could be very likely for a bouncing spot, even up to 112 area here, as you can see. All right, a lot of resistance there. So I would be expecting a bearish bounce there, bearish reversal. So candlestick patterns that could confirm that on the 1-hour or 4-hour chart would be welcome. I don't expect price to go much further or deeper than 112. Considering the pretty strong breakout candle on the 4-hour chart right here. So I am expecting a pullback and a bearish continuation. Let's put a fib from here to here. And let's see what the targets could be. All right, next target could be 111.25, but after that, we'll know 110.70 and then 110.30-ish down to 110-ish. All right, so plenty of space to the downside. And there's a fair chance with the current momentum that price will reach those targets, will fill up that space and move into that space. So euro dollar looking very bearish with this daily candle, looking for pullback and continuation on this 1-hour chart. Now currently building a pattern. Pound dollar too, also building a pattern at this moment, and we're in this trade as well, but we're at break even at this moment and hoping for a further deeper target. But this does look like a bear flag. Same thing, if it retraces, high chance that price will bounce at the broken support levels at around 129.75, 129.15 here, the 21 EMA. Bearish candlestick patterns could confirm the bounce there. Break below the bear flag, of course, could also indicate the continuation lower. All in all, yesterday also very good day below, very good continuation. We already had the break on the pound dollar actually. Like this, as you can see, that was 2 days ago, 2 trading days ago. Yesterday, we just had a good continuation candle. And I think there's a fair chance that price will continue after some retracement today. There's already some retracement taking place at this moment on this lower time frame. So just looking for a continuation at the moment. Targets could be down at 127.50 ultimately, but keep in mind that that's pretty far from now. So some intermediate targets could be the L5 Camarilla weekly pivot point at around 128.50. So 128.50, 128, 127.50 are kind of logical targets to think about. If you want to use fibs, you can put fib from here to here. And let's see the minus 272 target, 128.70. All right. Minus 61.8 target, 127.25. So I would always go a little bit above that, 127.50 and 128.75 from a fib point of view at least. And 1 second, folks. There we go. And if this is the start of the wave 5, of course, it could be way more. There is bearish momentum here. This could be a pullback, and this could be the restart of the downtrend on the pound dollar. So from that point of view, there could be plenty of space down to this head and shoulders level, down to the previous bottom, down to the previous fractal. Plenty of space here available. And if it breaks, if it's a real downtrend, it will probably even break below the bottom and go below 124. So yes, if this is the start of the downtrend, and it surely seems that way, there could be a very good pound dollar weakness here and a significant pound dollar bearish continuation. For the moment, though, from a lower time frame perspective, we're looking for a continuation to the downside after a flag. And if we add the Wiz levels that indicate the biggest space, you can see that next target is indeed at 128.75, sorry, 128.75. That is Wiz 3, and the bigger space between Wiz 3 and Wiz 4, all the way down to 127.86, as you can see. Good space. If it breaks below Wiz 3, good potential for more downside. Look for maybe a flag again on the hourly chart or even lower time frame there. Look for a flag, pullback, and continuation here on the pound dollar. All right, that's it for now. Wish you all good trading, of course. See you in the next video, which will be uploaded during the weekend. And wish you all good trading. Cheers.